You gotta love it when your camera doesn't cooperate. Anyway, working on my friend's floor here. We've got the floor leveler, patcher stuff kind of thing on there now. Whoever did it last time went and they put housing grade tile in there, so every speck of it cracked, fell out, and just disintegrated. Yep. So about a year ago we cleared it out, got it all sanded down and everything. Now we're finally getting to where we're gonna put linoleum in here soon. Yep. So much fun. Yeah, it's drying now. It's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like standing around waiting for paint to dry, or watching paint to dry. Catch you later. Peace.